Hello friends, welcome to the my YouTube channel Knowledge is by Click. So today we are here to discuss a vacancy. It is not a permanent vacancy issued by Government of Meghalaya, Department of Education, but it is a contractual vacancy issued by DIRT. Okay, so those who reside in Meghalaya and want to apply for the post. So, friends, you can go on the website, that is www.megaeducation.gov.in. This is the walk-in interview link for contractual pre-primary teachers. Sorry, it is pre-primary teachers. So, this is for the post of pre-primary teachers. Let's check the details. So, this is a letter dated 24th of November. Issue number is this by Government of Meghalaya, DIRT, Shillong. Okay. So, this notice says that DIRT Shillong will conduct a walk-in interview on 15th at Saiden Government Upper Primary School, Rioboi district for the post of contractual pre-primary teachers under the project on-site academic support on school effectiveness in Rioboi district for academic year 2022. So this is for pre-primary. See, three things you know. It is a walk-in interview, it is a post for contractual pre-primary teachers on the project on-site academic support for 2002. So those who are interested, or you can pass it on to the people who are interested in this vacancy. So what are the documents? First of all, we will check the qualification. So one, he or she has to be 12th pass equivalent to 45% with DLED, should have the diploma or certificate in course in ECCE from a recognized institution, teaching experience of pre-primary section. So this is the three criteria required. If you fill, or any of your known person want to apply, please note. Now we will see what are the other details. So the salary is 6,000 per month. Candidate age limit is there, so he or she should not be more than 50 years of age. See, it is a regulation as to no scope for regularization of the post, so it is not regularized, it is a conceptual. See, the government is telling that they have the right to terminate the job. This is for 1 year, which is likely to be extended based on the project. Okay. And all, since it is a project based initiative, the scheme is likely to discontinue anytime. The See, it is not a permanent job, so it's a contractual job, so be prepared. All the relevant document you have to bring at the time of interview. An interview is on 15th, friends. So remember this date and this address. Okay. uh, Candidate have to, it's COVID protocol with their, that they have told, thermal screening. See, all these things are, no TADF is paid for the walk-in interview. So see, these are the basic details. So the time of interview is 10:30 to 2 p.m. No candidate will be entertained, so please be on time if you are interested. So the most important thing is you have to fulfill you have should have a diploma or certificate course in ECCE. If you don't have, you won't be selected. It is issued by director of DIRT, Meghalaya, Shillong. So this is an official document, friends. So if you or any of your friends are looking for a job, but it is a contractual job issued by Meghalaya, Government of Meghalaya, DIRT diploma, okay, Directorate of Educational Research and Training, it is on this, based on this project. Walk-in interview is on 15th 12 at Saiden Government Upper Primary, Rioboi district. And these are the details which I have told you. So please pass it on to your friends, and please like, share and subscribe to be updated about such more vacancies, teaching related material, teaching related information. So please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Hope this information was useful. Thank you and keep learning.